Hey guys, well I thought I'd do a video of this fan again because last time I did a video the front cage was upside down, so thought I'd do a retake with the cage now right side up so you can actually make out the Sears Roebuck or SNR logo. Give you a shot here. There. As you can see, that's supposed to be a stylistic SNR. Yeah. You see there's an S and there's an R. So this is the logo that, as I mentioned, it looks like either a butterfly or an atomic symbol, but since I pointed out to you, you can easily make out that that's an S and an R. So that's the symbol on my Sears fan, and I think I'll run it one more time. And that once again is my green Sears table fan. Thanks for watching, everybody.